Bro, you really suck.
Show me yours.
Really?
Jesus, what am I doing in California getting shown up by a 7-year-old on a bike? Let's go back a ways. I can explain this, I swear.
Yo, Travis, what are you doing?
I'm riding dirt bikes, dude. I'm always riding dirt bikes.
Hold on, just 1 second. Let me just put you on hold.
I actually don't need to put him on hold, but I like to watch the light blink, and it frustrates him. He's actually a really nice guy, Sam, but I'll never admit that to him because it's way funnier to tell him he sucks. Anyway, let's see what he wants.
Sorry, man. My dad was calling. What's up?
That's not an important person to talk to.
You know.
You're not an important person to talk to.
You should come out to California, man. I'm helping a buddy of mine out, doing some stuff for track day. Mostly I want you to come out because you're just horrible. And there's a good chance you'll crash my motorcycle, which means that you're gonna have to buy me a new one. And then I want a Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. But if you don't crash it, you'll have a really good time. And you won't have anything crappy to say about the street triple anymore because my street triple is Dope City.
Okay.
Well, I guess let's do this then.
Let's do it.
Please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
Papa was a copper and her mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was wearing a hammer. Price you gotta pay when you break the panorama. Back bandana, sweet Louisiana. Robbing on a bank in the state of Indiana. She's a runner, rebel and a stunner. On the mirror. California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show your teeth. She's my priestess. I'm your priest, yeah. She's a lover, baby, and a fighter. Should've seen her come when I got a little brighter. With the name locked in California, day was gonna come when I was gonna moan ya. A little loaded, she was stealing another breath. I love my baby to death. Who's the better, gifted animator?
It's Ryan Reynolds. Oh wait, you're not Ryan I mean, you look
kind of like Ryan Reynolds.
You're gonna keep going.
Look who it fucking is!
California, rest in peace. Simultaneous release. California, show your teeth. She's my priestess, I'm your priest. Yeah, yeah. Who knew the other side of you? Who knew that all this time to prove? Too true to say goodbye to you. Too true to say.
I think I may have met somebody louder than myself.
So I came to California to hang out with this guy and do a track day on this bike. And on the way from the airport, we picked up these.
For the street triple R rear sets.
Jewelry for your bike.
Nietzsche in the house.
Because he was like, oh wait, two people, myself
I didn't do it, not my fault.
and myself, are here to help this goon install this without getting it wrong the third try.
He's gonna fuck it up.
Hopefully we'll get it right the first try,
Is this
but
the left side or the right
jeez. You got some Loctite? Because I tell you what, I got some trust issues.
There you go, Sharpie.
That's
All right.
almost even how I write my B's.
And that, short for dickhead bomb.
Sorry, just real quick.
That's the worst thing I've ever heard on a motorcycle.
Packed up. Michelle's gonna follow. Travis, like a true friend, actually came out from Austin to do a track day.
Hey man, are you ready to go?
Yeah. Are you? Let's go.
Yeah, it's good vibes. Good vibes. Please don't turn the light off. I'm already uncomfortable enough as it is.
What Travis doesn't know, and if he's watched this far into this cut, I got the photos back. My form on a sport bike is way better than his. He's using all of that tire purchase, whereas he could be getting his body off the bike more. Maybe he could do better if he didn't have such a stupid helmet on when he was riding a street bike. What else can I say? Love you, Travis. Don't tell anybody, but you're good. You're good at riding moto, and you're still the loudest person I've ever met. I thought I was loud, but Jesus Almighty, Christ in heaven and in hell, you are loud. Loud. All right, I'm gonna go figure out how I'm gonna do shit now, because, you know. Bye.